Can a creature really regenerate its limbs, heart, and even parts of its brain? Meet the axolotl, a fascinating amphibian native to the lakes of Mexico. Unlike other animals, the axolotl possesses an extraordinary ability to regenerate not just limbs, but also vital organs and complex tissues. Scientists have long been intrigued by this salamander's unique biological makeup, which includes the ability to regrow a limb in just a few weeks without any scar tissue. This incredible adaptation is due to the axolotl's unique genetic and cellular mechanisms, which they are born with and retain throughout their lives. Such capabilities offer insights into regenerative medicine and the potential for human healing.